Final video to fix games not appearing in the YuZu library. And if your installed games don't show up, let me ask you, are you opening YuZu and noticing that your games are missing even though they are installed? This problem usually happens because the library database is corrupted, game paths are broken, or YuZu services fail to load properly. Sometimes recent updates or antivirus software also hide games from the library. Many people search YouTube or social media and find long guides with risky file edits, complicated reinstalls, or steps that feel hard to follow. Most of those fixes waste time and still don't restore the games. But on Rexish, I focus on simple and reliable solutions. Now here's my secret easy trick. Instead of rescanning everything randomly, we fix the exact library path and database link that causes games to disappear. This works because it restores proper communication between YuZu and your installed games. The method is fast, safe, and works on all setups. Once you apply it, all your games appear normally. You can launch them without issues and the problem disappears. I tested this fix on multiple PCs, and it worked every time. That is why Rexish shares smart, stress-free solutions. If missing games in YuZu library are frustrating you, and you want a full step-by-step tutorial with exact actions, comment below, and I will guide you completely.